Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can reset camera settings on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So there's two ways that you can do that. So first one is simply get into the settings, and from your settings application, if you scroll down, you can see the camera option. Simply tap on camera, and then in here you can simply tap on the option preserve settings. If you simply open this, here you can see these are all turned on. So if you want to reset all of your camera settings, all you have to do is simply tap on these toggle button and turn off all of these toggle button. So like that, all of your preserved settings of your camera settings will be resetted. But if it's not working and you want to reset the whole settings, excluding the preserved settings, what you're going to do is reset all of your settings on your iPhone, for which get back to the main settings. And then from here, tap on general. And then scroll all the way down, you can see transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it and then tap on reset. So after doing that, tap on reset all settings and then simply enter your phone's passcode. And then all you have to do is tap on reset all settings, then your phone will be restarted, a Apple logo will show, and within minutes, all of your settings will reset. So you have to remember that resetting all of your settings will also include the Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have done on your iPhone. That also includes your camera setting. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.